I'm Eric Holtzclaw, and I'm a serial entrepreneur. I've done about 12 companies in the past 20 years. And one thing that I've learned is really important to the startup process is getting good feedback from your consumers. And if you think about the lean startup process and putting out a minimum viable product, you want to make sure that that product kind of hits the market with your consumers. And one thing that I've learned in talking with other startup entrepreneurs is that they don't really know how to do consumer discovery properly. So I wrote a book called Laddering: Unlocking the Potential of Consumer Behavior. And in that book, I give the entrepreneur a process or a framework by which they can go and do consumer discovery and truly understand why consumers might buy their product or their service from them and how they need to market that product or service such that that minimum viable product has a better chance of being successful in the marketplace, and it's not distracting in the features or functions that might have been added or subtracted from the product such that they can learn how to put out the next version. My framework is an easy process that any lean startup can follow, and they can use this so that they can reduce the number of consumer interviews that they need to do. Often when I'm talking with an entrepreneur, they think they need to do hundreds and hundreds of interviews to really understand what their consumers want. What I've learned is if you do the interviews properly, you only need to interview about 12 to 18 people. It's just that you have to follow that process in a way that makes sure that the consumer feels comfortable and that you can get the information out of them such that it's really informative to your product. There are three parts to my process. One's called laddering, which is actually understanding who your consumer is. Latticing, which is taking your consumer groups and figuring out how they map to each other and what's really important to them. And then lensing, which allows the lean startup to actually look at the product from the consumer's perspective. So they understand how to really view the consumer's world and understand what the product or service needs to do or address to be successful for them. My techniques help a lean startup understand that it's really not about the demographics or the segmentation when they're trying to determine who the product or service is for. What it really is what is the driver? Why is this consumer or this buyer going to purchase the product or service from your company or use it? So looking beyond segmentation and understanding the core driver behind why that person is doing what they're doing is really more important to the overall consumer discovery process. I would love to be able to come to the conference and talk to other entrepreneurs about how they can do consumer discovery such that they can put out a minimum viable product that is really successful in the marketplace. And because today's consumer is so fickle and has an opportunity to pick anything that they want at any time, it's very important that the product that they put out actually resonates with the consumer and addresses one of their core drivers, one of the whys that they would be using that product or service.